All right, we're finally back. I had to reset the whole thing. Welcome to Elliot Wave Master Live Trading Channel, where we trade gold live Monday through Friday. This is August 31st. Been trying to go live for the past half hour, but having sound issues. But we're good to go now. Let me put up the disclaimer real quick. Can't do this without the disclaimer. All right. So basically, we're not responsible if you have any losses due to following our entries, exit, and stops. You're trading at your own risk. This is for entertainment and learning purposes only. So you're advised that you're trading at your own risk. All right, get this out of the way. Let's get going here because the market has been going off already. Okay, hopefully everything is all set now. Okay, we're good to go. All right, market is going sideways. Yesterday we talked about predicting that the market would go negative, and it looks like it's fighting to stay up, but I'm seeing a lot of weakness to the downside. Now, where are we going to take this is the trick. So I'm not going to take a short until I see the market come down to this level right here. All right, so my trade is already on. So what are we seeing? We're just seeing corrections. I'm not really seeing anything. Maybe this could be a wave one to the downside, but I would like not seeing much here. I just see some zigzags. Maybe this is a wave one. If it is, our entry is right where target of one is. So I'm gonna lower ooh, maybe not. Maybe we're already on wave two. So one ABC. All right, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna take a short here.
Order submitted.
That's what I'm gonna do, because we could be on an ABC. So this would be the beginning of A, beginning of B, beginning of C, and target is right here. So this is where I'm going short. So this is where 2 would start.
Order filled.
All right, we are in. So I have a 25 tick stop, 30 tick target, but I'm gonna lower that because I think we could be on a wave 1. I mean wave 3. So wave 1 ABC correction. So market needs to lower now, otherwise we're in trouble. We only take a maximum loss of $300. If we lose that, we may go to sim trading just for instructional purposes. I may have to raise this. I think I might have gone in a little bit too early, so I'm gonna raise this a little bit here just because of this pivot here, but we are looking at, oh, has to drop now. That's wave 1 ABC, wave 2 coming down. So wave 2 could end anywhere inside of wave 1 if it exceeds what is it, 80.4, it's eliminated and we're looking at the wrong wave. So right now we are 1.5 points negative. Let's figure out where wave 3 would go. So this is the beginning of 1, beginning of 2, beginning of 3. So because of the way wave 3 works, usually you'll have 3 Fibonacci targets. So let's set them up. Let me get these right here. Use these so I don't have to go and make new ones. That's first target. Second target right there. And then third is right at the bottom here. And right there is where the third would be. And this is where we have support from the low on Friday's low, which is right here. Where is it? Which is right there. So that's our low. All right, it's starting to come our way. Oh. So we are seeing some seller pressure. Definitely seller pressure coming in. Overall trend is to the upside, but we're looking for corrections. So wave 3 is a impulsive wave, is a motive wave, not a correctional wave. So it does 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5s inside of its own wave. So we could be seeing that. So this would be a 2 and then a 3 and then a 4 and then a 5 and then it could correct again. but it should have been going our way already. This is not good. I'm gonna lower my stop a little bit. If it's gonna bust, is gonna bust, and let's get out with the least amount of loss that we can. Let me check on the sound, make sure everything's okay. Seems like we're good. ES is negative, YM is negative, NQ is positive. Russell is positive. Come on, let's go. So again, wave 1, A, B, C. Wave 3, 1, 1, 2. Hopefully we'll see a 3, really long 3. Excuse me. So there is a small little gap that's the open still. We only trade looking at the regular trading hours. And there's a huge gap on from Friday's opening, which was like 40 something points. Let's see if there's any news. Usually I just look at Forex Factory. Nothing big at all. Oh, ooh. I'm just gonna raise it up 89.9 just in case it just hits that 80.3 there. There is some news on gold. It says gold tested the critical 1976 resistance while hovering near the highest level in 2 weeks on Monday. The Fed narrative, which implies that the period of low interest rates would exceed, continues to benefit the non-yielding gold. So maybe that's why we are not seeing the market drop. But it has to correct before it can go up. So maybe the gold manipulators will use ES and YM going negative as an excuse to drop the market. So we're actually seeing now a 1, 2, 3, 4,
Stop
5,
now.
and we're out. Yeah. 1. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful little 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we have, I'm going to take one more trade, and this is going to be right here,
Order submitted.
right there. And that's just in case the market wants to correct this, do a little ABC. So actually I'm going to get out. I'm going to do it again because I
Order
want to do
canceled.
a 10 tick trade. Alright, going short.
Order filled.
Just 10 ticks. So we're just looking for a correction from this here. So looks like it was a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do an ABC. So this is not, this doesn't exist anymore. That was our previous wave 2.
Target filled.
Alright, so we made some of our money back. We're only negative $210. Alright, let's figure out what the market wants to do. So we should go up now. If this is a wave 2 starting of the ABC correction, so I'm gonna go
Order
long
submitted. Order filled.
10 ticks again. So this would be A, B, and then a C down. So if it passes 77.9, it's voided.
Target filled.
Okay, we're only down 110 now. So wave C targets would be all the way up here. That's where wave C would be, anywhere in there. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was not a truncated 5. And it did a ending diagonal at the end on 5. You know, I'm gonna go, ooh, I'm tempted to go long again. Oh, I should have taken it. Ugh! I should have taken it, huh? Thought about it too long. Alright, it's gonna be patient. So maybe we'll see a 1, 2, 3. So this will be A, B, and C to the downside. And then the market, if it's gonna be up, it could do again another wave 5 to the upside. So I'm gonna go for a short right up here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, we should have taken another long. I overthought the trade. I just lowered the entry to 81.4. Maybe it's done. Could be done.
Order canceled.
It did touch it. I'm going short.
Order filled.
All right, where would the so now we need to figure out where wave 1 would be if this is a wave 1 that we're on. Wave 1. So wave 1 target is right here. Ooh, we're seeing pressure to the upside. Ooh. Alright, so wave 1 target is the magenta, right? So I'm going to move this down here. That's where wave 1 target is at.
Target filled.
Target filled. Alright, we are positive 110. Okay, that exceeded a lot. That passed this wave here. That is a big zigzag. One. So maybe it's the opposite. Let's see if we could do a wave 2 now. So the market is almost at 2 already. So 2 is a yellow circle. Oh, we're already at 2. 2 is right here. Starts here and it finishes here. That's where 2 is at. So we're already at 2. I'm going to start looking for some seller pressure and I'll go short. We do not want to see it pass 1. Going short.
Build.
Took a little too long. So maybe we are on a wave 3. Let's see. So wave 3. Where would wave 3 be? So this would be beginning of 1, beginning of 2, beginning of 3. First target is right here. And second target right there. Third is at 65. So I'm going to lower it to first target. Let's see. And first target is also inside of a support area from this right here. So overall, yeah, but there's a bigger support area from this right here. I think will be a lot stronger. So let me draw a little rectangle of support area. That's it right here. All charts red because all of our support is red, and right there. So that's support area right there. So we could lower it to that support area. Ooh, this is not good here. We need to see it pass 77. Otherwise, this could just be an ABC correction. This could just be a double zigzag. Alright, we need to see it pass 76.5. So there we go. Oh, come on. A lot of buyers at 76.5. So our profit targets are $500 unless we are really having an easy day reading the market, and the market just giving it up. Then we're gonna ride until as long as we can. But at $500, we're usually happy. That's one contract. You could be trading 4 and you're making $2,000. Alright, we need to start seeing. Okay, so if this is wave 3, maybe it's doing a correction now, and now we're going down again. So let's see where it would be if it is a correction. If it is a correction of wave 3, wave 2 would end somewhere around here. So wave 2 is right here. It finishes right under our stop. But that does not look good here. I may get out of this trade early. Seeing a lot of pressure to the upside. This is going to be dangerous. Oh, okay, so it went inside wave 2 area. I gotta make these squares. This does not work. How do I make it a square? Can I make it a square? No, I can't. So I'm just gonna go and put this up here. Delete. Color. Change it to yellow. That's our wave 2 yellow. Okay. So since wave 2 is a little higher here, alright, we're still looking good, but we need to pass this here. Yeah, I think we're looking at the wrong wave. I think this was just a zigzag, and now the market is looking to do a double zigzag. So I'm tempted to just get out, and I'm going to right here. Hopefully we'll do a double zigzag, but it's looking dangerous. I'm just gonna get out an entry if I can.
Target filled.
I'm out. We could be looking at the wrong wave. We're 110 positive. Maybe this here is wave 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Maybe this is wave 1 here. So, but I'm not 100% sure. No one ever is. Ooh, look at that. So if it is wave 1, this is targets of wave 3. Oh man, we should have stayed in the trade. Alright, I'll take a short from here.
Order submitted.
If it is a real wave 3, I'm gonna move that to, oh, actually I need to change it.
Order canceled.
I'm going for a 30 tick. So if this is a wave 3, has to go lower than this, so I'll just take it from here. So wave 1, 2, 3. So I'll look to get out right here at support. There it is. Okay, so it passed this. So again, it has to pass that 76.5.
Order filled.
All right, here we go. So our target actually, it closes today's gap. So any of you guys that go and trade off of support and resistance, it's probably a good location to go long once it hits our target. Market is on negative territory. Oh, no, positive again. Buying pressure. They don't want it to go negative. So there is some support starting right here from this pivot here. And there's a little support starting here. So this whole area here is all support. But the major one is from here, which will help close the gap. The gap is here. So once we're filled, all right, come on, let's go. All right, so we were 300 negative. I know we said that we stopped at 300, but I just started to see a little more clarity in the market, and now we have already 110, and we had 140 till now that it turned around. Okay, so it got close to the first first support area, and there were some buyers. Okay, so maybe it's starting a wave 2 inside of wave 3. Where would that go? So let's figure this out. Ooh, Maybe not yet. If there is a wave 2, wave 2 would be up here. So this is wave 2 inside of wave 3. But it doesn't look like it's going to be yet.
Target filled.
Target filled. Okay. So it's not a wave 2 yet. All right. We are up $410. Now I'm going to look for a long. Is the gap closed? Almost. So I'm going to wait for the gap to close. All right, gap is closed. Now we can start looking for a long. Market is negative. So scratch this. This is gone because now we could be seeing a wave 4, right? 1, 2, 3, because it reached target 3, but there's still a lower target, so it may want to go lower. We don't know yet. But if it doesn't want to go lower, then it means that 4 is somewhere here. What color is 4? 4 is orange. Alright, do I have? No, I don't have. Yeah, forget these circles. These circles don't work. Let me just make a... So this is target 4 area that I'm drawing right now on my major chart. Sorry, but the chart that I stream on, it is too small, so I trade looking at another chart. Okay, that's target 4 right there. So I'm going to start looking for some buyer pressure. Gap is closed. So we need to start a corrective wave. I'm going long.
Order filled.
Going long. I'm going to the bottom of 4. But I could be wrong because we still have target 2 of wave 3 is right where the stop is. Ooh, not good. Okay. We anticipated. Gonna lower this a little bit, but I'm gonna try to get out. Oh man. Alright, we're giving it all back now. Yep, anticipated the trade. Okay, so if we were wrong on that 4, where would 4 be? Because that's where I'm gonna try to, so before to the upside, alright? So that's where 4 is. So we could just do this, but it looks like we're getting stopped out. Ooh, maybe not. No, market's trying to go negative, but this is where it would correct. You know, I had a feeling that I was jumping the gun a little bit, and the reason is that the market was only negative 1.9. So to correct, I don't think they wanted to go up to positive again and fight it out to go negative again. Now it's a lot easier to correct, and the market is still negative. It's a psychological thing. It's all it is. It's psychological. It's a lot easier to make a correction, and the market is already on the side that you want, instead of fighting it out from the market being positive on a correction and go negative again. Oh, all right. We are seeing pressure to the upside, so I may get out at entry. We don't get stopped out here. Not looking good. So this is gone, right? That is done. So our next support area is at 58. No, I'm sorry, that was wrong.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. All right, we're only positive 130. Yeah, should have seen this. Did not pay attention to it until now, but where are this? Hold on one second, guys. I'm doing a. Should have seen this right here. Should have noticed that. So big move to the downside. All right, maybe this is it right here. Definitely wave 4 now for sure. Look at that. Where would wave 4 go? Right here. I'm just looking for an opportunity to go long. Right. Not yet. Okay, so let's see what it wants to do. Maybe it's doing a ABC. Okay, I'm gonna go long. I'm going long now.
Filled.
Going long now. Hopefully this isn't ABC. So A, B, and C up, which would end wave 4. Okay? So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4. So we need to see it. There you go. Oh, almost took us out. No way. Oh, was that one tick? I'm going to lower. I don't care.
Target filled.
Target filled. I'm out. Oh, there it is. I don't care. I am up 360. All right. Now we need to start looking for a wave 5. So we need some pressure to the downside so we can take our short. Going short.
Filled.
Now let's see where wave 5 would end. So wave 5 could either end before 3 or it could end after 3. If it ends before 3 is a truncated wave 5. So it would start from here. That's wave 2. That's beginning of 3. That's beginning of 4. That's beginning of 5. So wave 5 is maroon. Do I have any maroons open already? I don't, but I could use this right here. All right. So I'm going to lower this right here. All right. Hopefully we are on wave 5. All right. Market is negative, like we talked about yesterday. So where we really need to be is at 49.1. Oh, seeing a little pressure to the upside. Come on, sellers, let's go. Well, if it's gonna go any, so our wave 5. Oh, I may have to change the targets. So this is a pretty big wave 4. If we are right, if we are starting on wave 5, we have a couple of targets, and this may be a large wave 5 to the downside, and those are the targets right there. So wave 4 could finish anywhere it wants as long as it doesn't go into wave 2 territory. It could finish anywhere in here. So this is a pretty large wave 4. So I think that's going to go all the way down. I'm going to lower my target. Really would like to be at 49, but can we see that today? I don't know. Alright, as long as the market is staying negative, we're okay. Alright, we're starting to see some selling pressure. Just saw a big volume spike. Hopefully that means that people are clearing trades. We're seeing some selling pressure on the volume bars. But we are right in the middle of a heat bell. Alright guys, I need to open a window here. It's getting pretty warm here. Now what we're starting to see. Oh no, come on. We may get taken out here. ES is trying to go positive. It is positive. No, negative again. It may be screwing our trade, but YM is down 170 points. Wow, the market is all over the place. NQ is positive, YM is negative, ES is trying to go positive. Wow. Usually ES and YM color, they go in the same direction, but not today. So either the ES is going to tank, or great opportunity to get in the YM right now. I have 170 points. Here we go, finally. All right, now let's just hope that we are not seeing a wave 2 here. All right, that's a drop with momentum, huh? There we go. Yeah, I knew you're trying to be hard to. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Yeah, market was definitely being hard to get. Okay. So we need to see how the market reacts once it makes a low or once it hits the low. That's gonna be the tell. So wave 5 also does a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all motive waves. So it could go back up a little bit again to go back down. So do a wave 2. Let's see where a wave 2 would be. Wave 2 is right where our entry is. So it would be 50% back. That's easy to figure it out. So right there. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. This is where it's going to get interesting. Okay, I clicked on my stop and I have it ready to move anywhere. So if I don't see it bust through that door, what's not, I'm sorry. I was saying it's the low, it's not the low. Low's at 62.3. But we just need to see it pass 69 even. There we go. Okay. So reached first target. And I'm out. I'm out. We're up $700. Took a little bit too long. Should have gone out a little sooner. So this could be wave 2 inside of wave 5. So if it is wave 2, oh, that's not wave 2. This is wave 2 right here. So we finished wave 4. Now we're doing wave 2 inside of 5. And there may be another opportunity, but guys, I'm done. We went from being negative 300 when we should have stopped, and so up and down $1,000. I'm done. I'm done, guys. What time is it? 8 o'clock. Been trading for an hour and a half. Actually, an hour, because we had issues going live right at the bell. Sound issues, but market is negative. I think it's going to stay negative. I think it needs to close the gap from Friday. You know what? No, I'm done. I was going to go and switch to simulated just to mess around, but no. I'm done. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please hit like and subscribe. If you made some money following your trades at your own risk, please donate to our PayPal account, which is linked in our banner on the main page on the bottom right of the banner. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. At the end of the day today, I'm going to do a preview of what I think will happen tomorrow. This will actually be September 1st, because the one that I did yesterday, for some reason I said that today was going to be September 1st, and obviously I'm wrong. But thank you very much, everyone. Hope you guys have a tremendous day. Stay safe.